No matter where you are, there is obvious suffering all around us. So much of it doesn't have to be. Benjamin Franklin once said, "An ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure." The most common strategy for preventative medicine is supplementation. Most people are familiar with taking a daily multivitamin to supplement their diet. However, most have never heard of their endocannabinoid system. Have you? Until recently, we hadn't heard of it either. That's because the endocannabinoid system, or the ECS, was only discovered in the 1990s. This system determines how your cells try to correct themselves when something goes wrong. It is the most widespread receptor system in the human body. The ECS regulates many of the most important pathways in the human body, including intestinal activity, cardiovascular activity, pain perception, nerve communication and protection, bone health, hormonal regulation, metabolism control, immune function, inflammatory reactions, and the inhibition of tumor cells. The endocannabinoid system is essential to life and affects how we relax, eat, sleep, forget, and protect. The problem is that most of us don't know it exists and therefore are not feeding it proper nutrition, often resulting in needless physical, mental, and emotional suffering. You're probably asking yourself, how do you feed it? The answer: cannabinoids. Cannabinoids are a group of active compounds found in the hemp plant. CBD has been studied in thousands of clinical studies, showing a positive effect on pain, sleep, memory, inflammation, appetite suppression, seizures, traumatic brain injury, anxiety, movement disorders, and even ADHD. And there are thousands of testimonials from real people that support the science. Our bodies are meant to use cannabinoids. When cannabinoids connect with certain receptors in your nervous system, it can have major benefits. So how do our bodies obtain CBD? Well, babies get it naturally through breast milk. But for adults, we must consume it. The problem is the foods we eat these days do not contain this needed CBD, so supplementation is the only option. The most popular form of supplementation is hemp oil. While hemp oil is great, it is very important to understand that not all hemp oil is created equal. Cannabinoids work best together with other cannabinoids. The problem is, most hemp oil products exclusively contain CBD and leave out the other powerful cannabinoids. Therefore, the best hemp oil products include a full spectrum of cannabinoids. So, if you find a hemp oil with a full spectrum of cannabinoids, that's all you need, right? Unfortunately not. The biggest roadblock to getting these benefits is absorption, because it's not what you consume that matters, but rather what your body absorbs. The average hemp oil, often in a form referred to as a tincture, which is an oil administered orally, has an average absorption rate of 10%. In other words, 90% of those oils you ingest do nothing for you. However, by taking advantage of the emergence of nanotechnology, one company is rising above the rest with a 99.9% absorption rate through the use of holistic hemp water. Introducing Awaken. Using proprietary nanotechnology, Awaken Holistic Hemp Water takes pharmaceutical-grade, organically certified hemp oil and infuses it into pure nanoparticle water. Our hemp oil is broken down into such small nanoparticles that the water molecules are able to wrap around the CBD, making it highly absorbable. So that means that this nano water is infused with a full spectrum of cannabinoids including CBD, CBG, CBC, along with other molecules like linalool, myosin and caryophyllene, resulting in the most effective usage of these amazing compounds ever. Awaken Holistic Hemp Water also infuses over 72 different essential vitamins, minerals and powerful glyconutrients into the formula. These extra ingredients further boost immunity support, recovery potential, and the overall antioxidant healing properties of this water. So now you can see that Awaken Holistic Hemp Water is not just a revolutionary cannabinoid product, but it can also act as an overall health supplement. The final result of all these amazing infusions is this: Awaken Holistic Hemp Water, a highly effective supplement drink that has its particles sized down to less than 0.01 microns, which allows the vital nutrients to penetrate almost any cellular membrane and makes this water incredibly effective at making positive changes in your life fast. Despite the overwhelming scientific evidence and the countless number of testimonials supporting CBD, some people still consider it taboo because of its association with cannabis. It is important to note the difference between THC and CBD. THC is the chemical compound that causes one to feel psychoactive effects. In other words, it gets you high. Our products contain zero THC and is derived from industrial hemp as opposed to cannabis, and therefore has zero psychoactive effects and will allow all users to pass any drug test. So, in review, Awaken combines a full spectrum of cannabinoids and a variety of other beneficial compounds and minerals, making it extremely effective. Awaken has a 99.9% absorption rate as opposed to an average 10% absorption of other tinctures on the market. Awaken is organic certified and is infused with a full spectrum of vitamins and minerals as opposed to other products on the market which have neither. Awaken is quickly becoming a standalone product in the marketplace. So let me ask you, who do you know who is suffering? And how would it feel to help them alleviate that suffering? What's that worth to you? To us, it's priceless. And because of that, we are willing to let you try Awaken Holistic Hemp Water risk-free for 30 days. You can try the product for 30 days, and if you aren't 100% satisfied with your results, you can send it back for a complete refund. Worst case scenario, you try it out and get your money back. Best case scenario, you join the hundreds of thousands of other people who have ended their suffering through CBD. Tell the person who referred this video that you would like to try Awaken Holistic Hemp Water today. We look forward to helping you.